Yes, good morning first class children. Are you all ready for the class? And listen, yesterday I had sent the worksheets, right? Okay, have you done the homework? See, look at children. నేను ఏమేమి వర్క్షీట్ పంపిస్తున్నానో అవన్నీ మీరు ప్లీజ్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. అది కూడా చాలా నీట్గా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు కంప్లీట్ యువర్ వర్క్షీట్స్ వెరీ నీట్లీ. డోంట్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ పెండింగ్ వర్క్. ఓకే, అంటే ఇన్కంప్లీట్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు. వర్క్స్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. వర్క్షీట్ పంపించాం కదా, ఒకటి పిక్చర్స్ అదే అబౌట్ స్టోరింగ్ ద వాటర్ పిక్చర్స్ and uses of water. There I had given so many circles with one water drop, right? Okay, so there you can do it. Any 4 uses you can write there. Okay, so many uses of water are there. So among so many uses of water, there you can select only any 4 and write down in the circle and color those circle also. Different colors చేయండి దానికి. ఓకేనా, అర్థమవుతుంది the worksheets. So enjoy that. One more thing is you can draw the pictures of sources of water if it is possible, no, otherwise you can paste it or you can draw the uses or sources of water. Okay, and one more thing children, and I will, after this question answers I will tell you the thing is what about how to save the water. Okay, save water gurinchi concept మీరు తయారు చేయాలి. So the next concept will be the next worksheet. I am going to give it as a homeworks. Okay, you have to make that ఒక వాటర్ డ్రాప్ అలాగా డ్రా చేసి మీరు దాని గురించి హౌ టు సేవ్ వాటర్ అనే మీరు పాయింట్స్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ టేక్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ యూ రైట్ ఓన్లీ 2 or 3 points children. Okay, so are you all ready for the question answers? Okay, so you please concentrate. Teacher, when I was writing on the board, you also say along with your teacher about this question answers whatever I am giving on the board. Okay, repeat along with me. Okay, if you get this oral drilling practice, so you can write very comfortably in the classwork. Okay, so are you all ready for the question answers? Okay, so be ready. I am going to start now, and just concentrate when I was teaching here, and repeat the question answers along with your teacher with the spellings, right? Okay, first question. What is the lesson name? Water. Now we are going to write the question answers. Okay, first question, name, write any 4 uses of water. Write WRITE, write any, ANY, any 4, FOUR, 4, USES, users of, 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 WATER, water. Write any 4 uses of water. What are the children? Can you say? Yes, very good. Drinking, DRINKING, drinking. Cooking, COOKING, cooking. BATHING, bathing. Cleaning, CLEANING, cleaning. Okay, so these are the uses of water. Write any 4 sources of water. Write any 4 sources of water. 4 sources of water. 4 sources of water. What are they? Yes, I hope everyone knows this answer, right? Okay, first one, ponds, PONDS, ponds. LAKES, lakes. Okay, the next one we can go for river, 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 and you can go for streams, STREAMS, this is the answer. Ponds, lakes, river and stream. Next one, third question. Why do plants need water? Why do they need? Why do plants need water? ఎందుకోసం కావాలి plants కి water ఎందుకోసము? Yes, you are all giving the answer, right? Okay. Why do plants need water? Plants need water to grow. Plants need water to growing purpose, isn't it? Plants need water. Plants need water to grow. Okay, children. So, write any 4 uses of water. So, ఏమేమి 4 uses మనకి ఎట్లా రెగ్యులర్గా ఏమేమి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము? డ్రింకింగ్, కుకింగ్, bathing and cleaning. Okay, so other than so many uses are there, gardening, plants is there, isn't it? I told you so many other uses also, but here I had given only 4. Washing is also there, but I didn't mention. Only they are asking 4 uses అడిగిన కాబట్టి మనం 4 uses మనం రాయాలి. Okay children, now come back to second question. What is that? 4 sources of water. Yes, ponds, lakes, river and stream. The next one, why do plants need water? Plants need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. Okay, so isn't it? Now we'll go for the next question. Next question is rivers and streams completed. The next question, from where do we get water? From where do we get water? From where do we get water? Answer, we get water from rain. We get water from rain. Okay children, from where do we get water? WEBGET, get water. WATER, water. FROM, from. RAIN, rain. We get water from rain. Okay, next question. How do animals make use of water? Wow, you can tell me, how do they use this water? How do animals make use of water? Make use of water. Yes, animals make use of water for animals make use of water make use of water for drinking and bathing. Okay, animals make use of water for drinking and bathing purpose, isn't it? In which way they are using the water? Yes, we are using for so many ways, isn't it? So many different uses we are using. But what about the animals? How do they use? Yes, they make use of water for drinking purpose and bathing purpose. Okay. ఒకటి అనిమల్స్కి తాగడానికి అవసరం ఉంటుంది, ఇంకోటి వాళ్ళకి స్నానాలు చేయడానికి. ఓకే, సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ద యూజెస్ ఫర్ animals. The next question. So is it clear now? What is the fourth question teacher gave? From where do we get water? We get water from rain. How do animals make use of water? Animals make use of water. Spell the word of animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Like this you should have to spell the word and learn, children. Make, M-A-K-E, make. Use, U-S-E, use. Of, O-F, off. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water. For drinking, F-O-R, for drinking. Spell the word of drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. A-N-D, and bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Okay, so these are the two uses for the animals. Next question. Sixth one. Where can water be stored? Where can water be stored? Where can water be stored? So where you can store the water? Yes, very good children. I think some children are giving the answer, isn't it? What, where are they? Bucket, mug, isn't it? So like some items, some things are there where you can store the water. Come on, say now. Water can be stored in. Water can be stored in. Where? What are the items? Yes. Well, bucket. First we will go from. We'll start from bucket. Okay. Bottle, tank, etc. Okay, water can be stored in bucket, bottle, tank, and etc. Seventh question. Why should we not drink dirty water? Why should we not drink dirty water? What happens if we drink dirty water? It can cause various diseases, or you can fall sick. You can say it can make us sick. Why should we not drink dirty water? Dirty water. Okay, answer is we should not drink dirty water because it can make us sick. It can cause various diseases, but instead of that we can write it can make us sick. Okay. Now tell me now, what is the sixth question? Where can water be stored? Water can be stored in bucket, bottle, tank, etc. You can write even well and dam. But here teacher had given only 3. How the water can be stored, in which way? The next one. Why should we not drink dirty water? So we, W-E-B, should. S-H-O-U-L-D. What is the how to pronounce the word? Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. What is this? Should. How to pronounce the word? Should. N-O-T, not. Drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Because. Spell the word of because. How to pronounce? B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Once again, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. I-T, it. C-A-N, can. M-A-K-E, make. U-S, us. S-I-C-K, sick. So we should not drink dirty water because it can make us sick. Okay. So teacher had given 7 question answers, but you don't dump at a time in one page. Okay. You write very neatly. Take your own time and write the question answers, children. Okay. And don't make your handwriting very clumsy in the classwork notebook. So you write very comfortably and very clear handwriting in the notes. Okay. So టీచర్ ఇచ్చారు కదా క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్, మనం ఒకటేసారి ఒక పేజ్లో ఇరికి రాయడము అలా చేయొద్దు. ఫింగర్ గ్యాప్ స్పేస్. స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. యూ షుడ్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ షుడ్ బి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ యూ ప్లేస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. వెన్ యూ కంప్లీట్ ద ఆన్సర్ ప్లేస్ ద ఫుల్ స్టాప్. ఓకే. మీరు ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే. ఫుల్ స్టాప్ మీన్స్ జస్ట్ యూ ప్లేస్ ద డాట్. ఇలా టర్న్ చేయొద్దు, ఇవన్నీ చేయొద్దు. ఓకే. జస్ట్ యూ ప్లేస్ ద full stop. Next, each and every question, after question write the answer. Leave a line, again question, again answer. So you make use of writing in at least 3 pages. Okay. 3 questions, 2 questions and 2 questions. So make it divided. Write very comfortably in the classwork. Don't write very clumsy or dirty handwriting. Very neat handwriting writing. Okay. Write neatly, children. I hope so. This class is very clear. Isn't it, children? Clear ga unda mi class? Ardhamainda? So ee lesson pair enti? Water. What is the name of the lesson? Water. So that related lesson question answers teacher I am going to send it in the message. You just place your mobile in front of you and copy down the question answers. Okay. Board la raste meeku kontamandiకి అర్థం కావట్లేదు కదా, మీకు మెసేజ్ లో పంపిస్తాను. అది మొబైల్ పక్కకు పెట్టుకొని నన్ను చూసుకొని రాయండి క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సో యూ కెన్ క్లియర్ ద డౌట్స్ ఫ్రమ్, యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ, చిల్డ్రన్, అండ్ బీ సేఫ్ ఆల్.